I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use your iPhone's Visual Lookup to identify objects like plants, pets, or landmarks. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too. First up, open up your Photos app and select an image of something that you'd like to identify. As you can see here, I've got an image while I was on a boat in Lake Havasu. Now, if you want to know if Visual Lookup is available for a photo, tap on it to open up your options here, and you'll see on the very bottom in the middle an eye icon. The only time that Visual Lookup is available is if you can see that little sparkle next to that eye icon. So in this case, we can see that. In order to look at the Visual Lookup, you can either swipe up on the photo, swipe down to go back, or you can tap on that information at the center. Now in this particular instance, it has geographic data that shows where the image was. It's not identifying it by what it looks like, but you can tap Lookup Landmark right here and then click Continue. Similar images of that landmark, it'll show you the map, it'll show you any sort of information that it can on that particular thing that you're looking at. And this also works with plants and dogs if you want to know what kind of plant or what kind of dog it is. So just make sure to be checking all of the photos that you have if you're really interested in finding out more information about what's the subject of your photo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.